Now, we're going to talk about how to use MoreKing. MoreKing can be foliared applied to cannabis, marijuana, and hemps. It also can go through the irrigation systems. When apply MoreKing at flower bud breaking point, you will push more flower buds and you will get more flowers. When you applied MoreKing at full bloom, you will thicker the flower stem. Then the results, you will get much bigger flowers, will increase the size of the flowers. When apply MoreKing multiple times during the flower season, it will reduce yellowing. It will reduce ethylene production. You will get much better quality of the flowers. So the THC, CBD is higher.